I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way. Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. When we touch is when I really come alive.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Shell's Glam Home. Well, in today's video, I'm participating in the Outdoor DIY and Decor Challenge, hosted by my sweet friend Christina over at the DIY Mummy. Today, I'll be giving my letterbox a makeover. I hope you enjoy. Guys, this is the state of my current letterbox. It's a very modern letterbox that was installed by the previous owners. The paint had started to chip away, so off camera I gave it a very good sand down, and I went in with Dulux Vivid White in 2 coats. Now, while the paint was drying, I headed off to Bunnings. I had a wonderful idea in mind for a very Hamptons look. So I wanted to pick up some black handles from Bunnings, as well as some timber and plywood. Now, what I'm trying to achieve here, guys, is to make my letterbox look like a barn door. So I'm going to pick up 2 handles here. The straight one is going to act as the top of the barn door. I also picked up some new black numbers for my letterbox. Now my hubby took the plywood, guys, and he took 3 pieces, glued them in place, and then took smaller pieces and created a frame with a crisscross. Using wood glue, we waited a few hours for this to dry, and then I gave it 2 coats of Vivid White. The hubby took some screws and then screwed the plywood to the letterbox. He then put the little black handle to the right hand side, and then off camera he used some liquid nails to glue the larger handle to the top. This looks like a rod for a barn door. Here is my adorable little letterbox. I'm so happy with how this came. I had a vision how I could take my skinny letterbox and turn it into a barn door replica, and I'm so happy with the result. I have a very Hamptons theme going outside my home, and I love that I could create the love of barn doors as well as the Hamptons theme to go with the outside of my home.
I'm all alone in my hotel room. I'm getting drunk on booze from the
A big shout out has to go to my sweet friend Christina over at the DIY Mummy. Thank you for hosting the wonderful Outdoor DIY and Decor Challenge for another year. I had so much fun participating. Guys, I'll leave a link to Christina's channel down below where she has a playlist of all the other participants. Be sure to go and give those videos some love as well. You'll be so inspired.
Away from me, but still I dream of you and say your name in my sleep. Tell me, isn't that crazy? Just wanna call you up and tell you how I feel. I see you wherever I go, and you don't even know. You are the stranger in the corner.
Who would have thought that just by taking a few simple ideas, I could take my shabby looking letterbox and create it into the Hamptons inspired barn door replica I was aiming for. I'm even considering putting a mini wreath at the top of this letterbox so it looks like there's a wreath above the barn door. Obviously it'd have to be something that was weatherproof, of course, but leave me a comment down below if you think I should do that.
I'm gonna call you. You are the stranger in the corner on the second floor. You're the girl next door. The girl next door. The stranger in the corner on the second floor. You're the girl next door.
The best part of all about this DIY, guys, is it cost me less than $30 to make. Obviously, I already have the paint, but just by taking a few simple ideas, I actually had a barn door inside my house that I kept looking at, and then I had an aha moment. And you know when Shell gets those moments, her mind is in overdrive. So I couldn't wait to share that with hubby. Now, he was a little bit hesitant at first, but then when we actually put it all together, he was so happy with the result and he loved how creative it was. And I hope that you do too. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you when it comes to making over your letterbox. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Michelle, but most people call me Shell, and I'm an Australian YouTuber who loves to DIY. My channel is all about decorating on a budget, and I love to show inexpensive ways where you can decorate your home. I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button and become a part of Shell's Glam Home family. So don't forget, guys, to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Shell's Glam Home. Until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.